guys, good morning. New lesson here, a drawing lesson for you guys at home. I got an idea from a student. I don't want to say her name to embarrass her, but a great idea for a lesson. It's going to be a crocodile. And then she said, we'll do a crocodile and we'll add a turtle and a snake. And we realized later, that it's 3 reptiles, all right? So we're going to start with the crocodile. It's kind of fun and easy to draw. So, first thing, draw yourself a baseline. Line for the ground, all right? We're going to draw a crocodile over here going this way. Okay, ready? I'm going to start with the body shape. Maybe you can see it in here. It's kind of an oval. Okay? I'm going to do it with pencil because I'm going to want to erase it. I'm going to start with a pencil. So you got a long kind of oval like that. All right, now I'm going to switch to Sharpie. So here's your back leg. And just like on the horse or the elephant, the back leg's a little fat. And we'll add some feet. I'm using curved triangles, give it kind of claws. Front leg, a little skinnier, right? Just come down to kind of curve your lines. Then you got your claws. Now I'm going to connect, all right? See? Because this is why you would want to erase. And instead of drawing a line for the back, I'm going to draw its scales, which are like little triangles, almost like a letter A or a mountain. Okay, now it gets easy. You just did the hard part. The tail is kind of like a curved triangle. Maybe you can see it in there. It's like a triangle that's curving. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. Curve down, then you do it again. Imagine with your eye you're following through here, all right? Make it get smaller, right? And add your scales on that curve. The head's kind of fun. Get to draw some nice shapes. Check it out. We're going to have a half circle, then a little half circle. So watch this. Semicircle, line, half circle, and then come all the way back at an angle. Okay, diagonal line. Okay, and then we're going to make the mouth open. So we're going to come down. It's like a V shape, okay? And come around, come in, and curve. You see that would have connected to the belly, so you have like a smooth line. You give him an eyeball in here. Use that oval shape. And straight up and down nostril. The teeth are just like the scales on the back, little triangles. And they have a different kind of scale on their belly, right? You can see it down here. I colored it yellow. So we're going to kind of do a double line. We're going to go up along here, a double line here. Stop at the leg. We're going to curve it up to there. Okay, and it kind of comes under the mouth a little bit. Check out what you do now to make it look a little 3D. Don't just draw straight lines on there. Curve them a little bit, all right? You see that curve? Let's get small for me. There we go. All right, and now you can do this. You can come in with your pencil. You could erase that, right? Don't need that. I'm going to erase this in here. Crocodiles don't have just 2 legs, they have 4. And again, to make it look like it's walking, I'm going to make the back 2 slanted diagonally a little bit. So watch, I'm slanting it backwards. Here comes the foot. And the claw, I'm going to slant this one backwards. Okay, diagonal line. 2, 3. All right, and then you can add a few scales up here. It's like a letter U that you repeat. Maybe you want to put 2, maybe you want to put 1, kind of make it random. All right, and then I think this is a fun part right here. Check it out. You could put the crocodile under the water, swimming, kind of floating, Or you could put the water through the crocodile, half above the water, half below, because then you get to do something fun when you color it. You can color them like dark underwater and then a little lighter above water, so you get to use two colors. So let's do that. I'm gonna go half, okay? So I'm gonna come along like this. Now I'm gonna make a little hill here for our turtle. So I'm gonna come up. Watch this. This is a curve, and I'm gonna give it some spiky grass along here. Using this shape a lot today, this curved kind of triangle. It's like a shark fin, okay? It's a great shape to know. I want to stop the video there. I'll do the turtle and the snake in another video. I don't want this video to be too long. See you in a minute.